Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Reyna Janine. For today's video is another legit application na i-share ko sa inyo on how to make money online gamit lamang ang iyong cellphone. Ang mga applications na i-share ko sa inyo ay free lamang at wala kayong ilalabas na pera based on my research. But before that, please hit the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga play-to-earn applications na i-upload ko. So wag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go to the application! Hey guys! For today's video is another legit application ang i-share ko sa inyo kung saan kikita po tayo dito ng pera gamit lamang ang ating mga cellphone at wala po tayong ilalabas na puhunan kahit piso. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Ang application na ito ay itong si Social Jewels. So, si Social Jewels ay nirelease po siya noong May 25, 2023 at in-update po siya agad noong August 8, 2023. So, meron na po siyang 100,000 plus downloads. So, ang ratings and reviews niya ay nasa 4.3 stars. So, wag na nating patagalin pa, i-open na natin yung application. So, click na lang natin itong part ng open. As you can see, may nakalagay dito na choose your language. So, syempre, click natin itong English and then confirm. So, may nakalagay dito na yung recent winner ay itong user na Panda1 from Nepal. So before tayo magkaroon ng account dito kay Social Jewels is kailangan muna natin mag-login through Google. So click natin itong part ng continue with Google and then please accept our terms and conditions and privacy policy. So click natin itong my box para magka-check yan and then proceed tayo dito sa continue with Google and then so, as you can see, kailangan natin mag-select dito ng country. So, click natin yan. Search natin yung Philippines. Yan. So, click natin itong save and continue. So, registration complete. Thank you for creating an account with us. So, welcome. Ginamit ko lang po yung name ng mother ko. So, as you can see, may nakalagay dito na view your profile or go to your feed to start playing. So, click natin itong view feed. And then, yan. So, as you can see, may nakalagay dito na welcome to Social Jewels. So, click natin itong next. Then, next. Then, earn coins for each vote you make. So, click natin itong next. You may swipe left or right to vote for the image you like more. Before you can upload your own photo into the Jewel, you must participate by voting in the active Jewel pools for n number of times. So, click natin yung next. You can now choose the mode you want to use the app in. Syempre, click natin itong mode 1 para maximum winnings, high rewards, high amount of ads, rewards for voting, reward after your photo wins a Jewel. Then, click natin itong save mode. So, ayun, pwede na po tayo makapag-vote dito. So, as you can see dito sa taas, yung may heart na badge is dito po natin malalaman na pwede pa po tayo makapag-vote. So, kapag naubos po yung heart na badge dito is pwede pa rin po tayo makapag-vote. Kaso nga lang, hindi po makikredit yung coins natin dito. So, as long as meron pa po tayong badge dito na heart, tapos nag-vote po tayo, syempre, makikredit po yung coins natin. So, as you can see, kailangan natin mag-vote dito. Itong nasa taas is ito po yung si A. And then, itong nasa baba is ito po si B. Para nga po makapag-vote tayo dito is kailangan lamang tayo mag-swipe. So, kapag letter A yung bino-vote natin, swipe na lang natin yan from right to left. And then, kapag letter B naman yung bino-vote natin, ay kailangan lamang natin mag-swipe from left to right. For example, ito, swipe natin yan. B yung pinipili ko. Yun. So, nakuha tayong coins doon. So, yan. So, mostly, ang pinipili ko is from Philippines na user. Yan. So, next. Yan. So, next is ito. Then, ito. Then, yan. So, pinipili ko talaga yung from Philippines na user. Siyempre, kapwa Pinoy po. So, kailangan po talaga natin suportahan yung mga kapwa Pinoy. So, dito naman tayo sa second part. Ito, yung parang may star. Ito, nasa baba. Click natin yan. So, sa part na ito is dito po natin makikita yung mga most like na mga pictures. So, ito is from Philippines. Then, ito, meron na po siyang over 10,000 likes. Then, ito is meron na po siyang over 5,000 likes. And then, ito, nasa 1,000 likes. 500 likes, 100 likes, 0 likes. So, proceed naman tayo dito sa part na ito. Yung parang may plus. So, dito na part is, dito po tayo mag-upload ng photo. And then, pwede din po tayo makapag-challenge dito ng ibang user. Currently, you don't have any active and inactive photos yet. Kasi hindi pa po tayo nakapag-upload dito ng photo. So, proceed muna tayo dito sa part ng, ito yung parang may tao. Yung parang sa fourth part. So, as you can see, dito na part is dito po natin makikita yung ating profile. And then, may nakalagay dito na withdraw and then switch mode. So, dito na part is, dito po natin makikita kung ano po yung mga pictures na ating binovote. As you can see, may nakalagay dito na previous votes. And then, kapag gusto natin na i-view yon lahat or i-view yung mga previous pictures na na-vote natin, click lamang natin itong part ng see more. Itong part na ito. And then, proceed muna tayo dito sa last part before natin i-check kung ano po yung process para makapag-withdraw tayo dito. So, click muna natin ito, yung parang my message. So, as you can see, dito na part is pwede po natin ma-search yung ibang user dito. So, dito po tayo makapag-search ng other user sa application na ito. So, kapag may friends ka or relatives na naglalaro ng application na ito is pwede nyong i-direct search dito sa box na ito. And then, balik muna tayo dito sa part ng home. And then, dito sa part ng home is may nakalagay dito na star. Ito, click natin yan. So, ito po yung badge. So, upload the most awesome photo. Earn different badge depending on the amount of votes your photo has and be the winner of the jewel. So, pwede po tayo makapag-upload dito ng photo and then, pwede din pong manalo yung photo natin. And then, depende na po kung ilang votes yung makukuha natin. Nagdedepende po yun kung anong badge din po yung re-receive natin. So, dito muna tayo sa part ng ito, yung sa heart badge na 487. So, dito po yung ating rewarded votes. So, this is the amount of votes you have left for which you will receive a reward. Once the number hits 0, you can still vote for jewels but you will not receive coins for your votes. So, kapag nagiging 0 daw po yung ating rewarded votes is, pwede pa po tayo makapag-vote dito pero hindi po natin marireceive yung ating coins dito. So, click natin yung Garrett. And then, next naman is ito, parang may corona. So, click natin yan. So, dito po tayo makapag-withdraw. So, as you can see, may nakalagay dito na yung balance natin is 0. Tapos, yung 10,000 coins is equivalent po yun into 0.01 USD. So, dito sa baba is may nakalagay dito na proof of payment. So, as you can see, legit na legit po talaga yung application na ito kasi ma-check naman natin dito na marami na po nakapag-cash out sa application na ito. So, merong payer, through GCash, Payer, Coinbase, Payer. So, Payer and GCash po yung madalas na ginagamit nila. So, ganun lang po kadali makapag-earn dito ng real cash or makapag-earn ng GCash money. So, kailangan namang natin mag-vote dito and then may makukuha na po tayong coins agad-agad. So, I think na-explain ko na lahat. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na i-share ko guys. I-try nyo din yung application para marami tayong kumita online. Tandaan, sipag at syaga lang talaga ang puhunan dito guys. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga play to earn applications na i-upload ko. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye!